Wow.
See?
Yeah.
So it's all pretty
That's a problem. That's the back door.
Yeah, in the bedroom, that's what you want to see.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop.
Alright.
I gotta get my bolt cutters. Cut the thing.
This dude thinks he's strong, thinks he can just cut bolts off. Alright, starting. Hello, anybody here? Very vacant, very demure. Trying to bust my ass on these steps. Alright, what the hell? Speaker sticking out the wall, that's different.
How's it looking?
Gross.
Lights are on, or did you turn those on?
No, I think they were just on.
Really?
Yeah. Furnace. I don't think anybody's been here in quite some time though. Except for raccoons. Ceiling's coming down in here. What the fuck? Fucking electric panels in the toilet? There's tight quarters in here, guys. Let's just see what we're working with here. Yeah. There we go. There's like some paperwork here. It's tight. Tight quarters. Box of VHSs. Pencil sharpener. All your pencil sharpening needs. What'd you find something?
There's fuck.
Bunch of vinyls and shit. A full pool table. I think that's a TV back there, a big screen TV. Oh, I need to cut that. They're just throwing shit around.
Fuck it. Wait till you see the living room, dude.
Best shape I've ever seen a living room.
Oh, dude, it's a pretty good one.
Go ahead, you got it. Oh,
Ceiling might have caved in a little bit.
kitchen area. Brand new dishwasher. Dining room area. Wow.
See?
Yeah.
So it's all pretty fucked.
That's a problem.
Lots of fucking pool sticks for a place that doesn't have a pool table.
It does, it's in the basement.
That would make sense.
That's a cool ass fixture.
Lights are out upstairs too. Fuck, why don't we have this at shaking? God damn it.
I don't know.
Should've came here first.
Here's the living room in the back. We wouldn't have known we needed it.
There's like a little vestibule area up there. I went around that way. So there's like an active leak here.
It's frozen.
active.
Don't leave that in. Bro, you seriously have me come out here to film this? It's not even a whole fucking
Go
room.
out there and investigate. I just knew there was
It's not even a whole fucking room.
Yeah, well, now it's the video.
I had to go through the frozen. Look at this. The fucking.
Fuck, dude.
The floor is completely frozen solid.
Goddamn ice rink. You got attic access up here.
Yeah, I'm not going up there, dude.
I don't think either.
That shit's fucking. That's gonna be dangerous as hell. I would have been here a long time. Cool. It's the bathroom. Need some. Might need some upgrading. Maybe. Wonder why these people left.
I bet it was an eviction.
You don't think it had anything to do with the fact that there's ceilings in the living room floor?
Well, maybe if they paid their rent.
You do something with that. You just put that in line.
Yeah. Well, this looks like an eviction. And then they just left it vacant for fucking a couple of years.
Yeah, but all the shit's still in here. Like eviction, you gotta take almost all this shit out in this
Yeah,
area.
that's a good point. Maybe they left before the bailiff showed up.
They still make you put all of it on the tree lawn.
Oh yeah, so the person can access it.
That's the back door.
Yeah, in the bedroom, that's what you want to see. We'll go out and maybe do just a rear shot.
You guys did an outside shower, right?
Yeah, I kind of. I'm gonna go back there just to get my own eyes because it was fucked up. Also, the house next door like burnt to shit.
Yeah, Vince said he filmed all that too. It was nice. Oh shit, there's like a.
That's you'll see the attic access I'm talking about, bro.
The fuck, dude? I'll go in there in a second. Yeah. I mean, you can access the attic from the living room. Jesus. Alright. And then this room. Fucking freezing in here. Broke ass. Bunch of broke ass phones and shit in here. Alright. That's good. That's good. That's real good. Alright. What the hell is this? There's a Maury card. Get the fuck out. There's a nice hallway there. Minus the roof repairs and shit, this place is in pretty good shape. No heat on now. I'm surprised that like no pipes bursting out there around here. It's been it's been really chilly the last few days. So whatever the fuck that is. Crazy. It's crazy, dude. They just like left all their shit, isn't it?
It's so weird when people just up and leave.
Like
The thing is that they were like behind on rent and left, or you never know. This could be a slumlord. And they were
Could've
like, "You
been.
don't fix anything. I'm fucking leaving."
Well,
But
like-
either way, when they leave like this, they leave everything, and it's like you got to buy a whole new set of beds, couches, like.
is there cash in there?
Fucking library cards and bullshit. I wonder what's in there.
Fucking Jack.
It's also weird that there's a door that leads right into a bedroom.
Yo, I'm glad I didn't like stick my hand in there. There's fucking needles and shit all up there.
Generally want to avoid that.
Generally want to avoid the needles.
I don't think there's anything of value in here.
Yeah, no, that's not what I was looking for. I was just kind of seeing like there's nothing that like says
Why they're
why they left.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, dude, scratch offs.
Already scratched off?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, I'm confused as hell. This is like everything. Like every drawer's got shit in it.
I don't know. They left in a hurry.
Yeah. Air pumps, watches, DVDs, all kinds of shit. It's weird when you walk into a place like this and then you're just like,
I know. I looked at it and I was like,
what are the signs that there would be?
It looks like it's occupied.
Yeah.
And I saw the ceiling and I was like, well,
Yeah, right? No way.
perhaps not. The fuck is this?
So this is the steps for that bunk bed. For this bunk bed right here. So like,
It's a dope ass bunk bed, dude.
for real, if you bought this place, like, that's a pretty solid bunk bed.
Man, when I was a kid, I would kill for that bunk bed.
Yeah, dude, there's like fucking people's essays and shit in here. Fucking wild. Alright.
I wonder when's the last time anyone was like actually here though, you know?
Yeah, that's always the like. It's been a while because look at the floor, dude. Nobody's coming in here for anything.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, God, I don't fucking know. Alright.
Alright, well, good on us.
Oh, it looks.
Creepy doll. Out.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.